Jane Banda, who stays at Kakhoza, has voiced out her frustration about her baby daddy that she claims is abusing her emotionally and physically. She said when she asks for maintenance, she beats her up and rapes her. Jane stated that she is not working and it is not easy for her to maintain the child. Jane mentioned that she is also a sickly person after she got a car accident. She also requested for assistance from the public.
Wasi angibela khumbi lenye la ngitang desat wangidonsa la khumbi ngangisa fast nalo mfana wasutang ngibula nalo mfana lokugcina ke ngangesikhatha samshayisa ngale khumbi
Le mali ke phugcina kuniketile yini akatange nje sikakuniketa imali emfana
kokha nje katseni ngika social for na 5 months emfana yakho lenyanga phela buko ke 200 kulena akho ke 300 kwasemva kwalo kwasibuto ilansi nangisisi ngelansi
alale nawe ngenkani nyalo ungafisa ukuthi kwendekeni
ngicela ukuthi nengiphe abantu abatawukhona ukuthi bamkhulumise ukuthi inhlukubetela nangabe yaboshwa endleni ngalo mkhaya
ukile watama khulumisana kumbe nebakuphi
akafuni ke lokho ngabe ekhaya mfihlo
awade ekhaya kuphi
wakhulele ekhaya kwakhe nakwashona.
Those that can be able to assist Jane can call 797-85518, 7978-5518. Reporting for Maswati channel, I am Nonhlatla Twala with Nontobeko Tabete at Kakhoza.